Throughout Denji's life, he's walked down many roads of trials and challenges. His mother dying from a heart condition and his father's death is ultimately what forces him into the life of a Yakuza slave. Denji's entire life has been about trials, and Finn's life isn't so different. Seemingly abandoned at a young age and forced to live in a dangerous world of monsters, Finn has also had his fair share of trials. But in Hall of Egress, Finn's trials are more mental. He's stripped down to nothing but his intuition, much like Denji, and is forced to adapt to the new world he's been placed into, showcasing that these trials are both Finn and Denji's most difficult ones yet.